Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Right now I'm just going to be sharing something very quick about the profits that I made in the last 24 hours. So I managed to make like 6k, that's 6,000 something dollars in the last 24 hours, and I actually traded for it wasn't less than 3 hours, and I was able to make 6k. So I just wanted to share the profits with you and show you how I made them. You can subscribe to the channel if you want to get the strategy, at least the mini strategy. But if you want to get the full strategy plus lessons plus explanations and everything, you're gonna have to join our community. So please click on the join button and subscribe to our premium group, so you're gonna be getting all this for free, all the trading strategies, all the books, all the lessons, PDFs, everything for free. And we shall also trade for you to make sure you get you out of that loss account. So we do some loss recovery on the same premium group. So make sure you join the group, and I'll see you when you've joined to access the premium packages. Thank you for watching.